Dudes and dudettes, it's day 23 of the Wine Advent Calendar. It's time to talk a bit about Cabernet Franc. Cabernet Franc is one of the parents of Cabernet Sauvignon and Sauvignon Blanc. So there has to be a lot to love here, right? Let's dive into it. Welcome back to Drinking It In, day 23. We're Christmas Eve tomorrow. It's almost here. If you're a Pinot Noir lover, Cabernet Franc wines are going to be a lovely alternative, a great extension into your wine drinking repertoire. They're not necessarily crowd pleasers because they do have some vegetal notes and green pepper notes, but they're usually subtle. I really love Cabernet Franc wines. I feel like it's a completely different drinking experience at times. And that always interests me because, like I've said before on the channel, I tend to get bored if I'm drinking the same thing over and over again. And as you explore Cabernet Franc, there's always like a nice through line of cherries and spice and a subtle pepper note. But if you go from different regions and different appellations in France and drink some Cabernet Franc from the US in the Finger Lakes, FLX, you'll notice different nuances, and it's a really nice experience. Some of my favorite appellations in France to get Cabernet Franc from: Chinon, Bourgogne, Saint-Nicolas de Bourgogne, and Sambor-Champagny. But in terms of finding a wine to recommend, maybe a wine for your holiday table today, we're going to the Finger Lakes, we're going to Ravines Winery, and we're grabbing a Ravines Cabernet Franc. This wine to me it's rounder, and it always has a nice raspberry note in it that I love. You know, I keep talking about Ravines wine. Finger Lakes wines are gaining reputation. Their reputation is growing on the global, maybe not the global stage, but on the wine stage, right? Mainly in the U.S. And I think we need to support those growers in that region. Get out there and try a Cabernet Franc, and I'll see you tomorrow.